We were together in our journey into the world of fashion, design, and art. We have already covered two videos dealing with the concept of design and all the elements of design. Some part of color was left because it is a very wide topic, so we are going to indulge with colors. Hey, welcome everybody to Knowledge is Fun 2020, and we are doing Element of Design Part 2, that is color. What is a color? Of all the elements of design, color is the most challenging to understand. It has three main properties: hue, value, and intensity. Don't bother, we'll be doing about this in details, but just remember the terms. Color originates from a light source that is either viewed directly or as a reflected light. Daylight or white light, it contains all colors and there is no light without color. Now, if you remember my last video, this is the surface, हमें color कैसे दिखता है? This is the color theory. This is white light consisting of all the 7 colors of different wavelengths. Some of it is reflected back. The rest is absorbed. Whatever is reflected back, that wavelength, it is perceived by the eye, which sends it to the brain. And here the brain is telling you this is the blue light. The light whichever is reflected is blue light. The absence of all light is darkness or black. That is why in darkness you don't see any color, and all light is white light. Now, how do we see color? I've already told you the color theory. So, the light which is reflected off an object is the color that we see. Now, we come to the color wheel. What is a color wheel? This diagram is known as the color wheel. It is behind all designing all the color concepts. These colors are always there in the same order and it is known as the color spectrum. आपने rainbow तो देखा होगा. It's always Vibgyor. Have you ever seen कि arc पहले आ गया हो, then G, then Y, then B? No, na? So this is known, they are always in the same order, and when these colors are organized in a circle, the color spectrum is known as the color wheel, the Munsell's color wheel. When all the light rays are reflected, the color is white, otherwise black. So these are 7 colors, that is Vibgyor, and sunlight is composed of these 7 visible colors along with the ultraviolet and the infrared rays. Now the properties of color. I already told you there are 3: hue, value, and intensity. But what is hue, value, and intensity? Hue is the name of the pure color. The simple hue, what is hue? Red, blue, green, yellow, purple, violet. This is all name of the colors. So this is hue. Here you have all the possible hues of a spectrum. You start from yellow and you end at red here in this one. Now, value is described as the lightness or darkness of a hue, which is referred to as tint or shades. Tint or shades. White has the maximum value. For example, we suppose it to be 1 and black has the minimum. That is 0. When you add black, the color becomes dark. When you add white, the color becomes light. These dark colors which have black are known as shades, and the light ones, they are known as tints. So समझ आ गया tints and shades. When you add white, the color becomes light and it is tint and otherwise shade. Intensity is the brightness or dullness of the hue. Pure colors are high intensity colors, whereas the dull colors are low intensity colors. The intensity of the color is changed by adding its complementary color. Complementary color I'll tell you in details. We'll cover it now. And there is one more method of making a dull color, that is to add a neutral color to it. जैसे यहाँ पर you can see red, this is very bright. As you keep on adding the neutral color, it becomes dull. So intensity is the brightness or dullness. Now, what we are going to cover is color aspects. We'll talk about it in 3 points. First is primary, secondary, and tertiary. Don't forget this color wheel. इसी से we make primary, secondary and tertiary. यहाँ पर आता है how do we actually make colors. Then you have warm or cool colors depending upon the temperature of the colors, the perceived temperature. इस picture में you can identify these would be cool, warm colors. This is cool colors. Advancing and receding colors. इस picture को look at it carefully. Don't you think that some of the colors are popping out of the picture? The colors which are popping out of the picture, can you tell me which one is it? Is it the purple or the yellow? Obviously the yellow. This is advancing colors. Receding colors which move into the background. They don't come towards you. The classification is clear. The first classification, that was the primary, secondary and the tertiary colors. I have put this picture. यहाँ पर you can see all the colors. First you have the primary colors, you have 3 primary colors, then you have the secondary colors. Finally the outermost circle, it is the tertiary colors. अब कलर हम बनाएंगे कैसे, उसी बेसिस पर डिसाइड होगा. प्राइमरी कलर्स, यू हैव 3 प्राइमरी कलर्स. यहाँ से आइडेंटिफाई करो, दिस इज रेड, blue and yellow. These colors are known as primary colors because you cannot make these colors by mixing any other color. But इन तीनों colors को mix करके you can make any damn color. Blue and yellow, it brings blue and yellow, it makes green. Red and yellow, it makes orange, and red and blue, it makes purple. So 3 primary colors, they make 3 secondary colors. जो इनको mix करके बना, what is it? It is the secondary color. Very clear? Yellow और blue को mix करके we make green, orange and purple. This picture, it also shows the primary colors 3 and secondary colors 3. Now we come to the tertiary colors, which are made by mixing one primary and one secondary color which is next to it. तो यहाँ पर red के साथ में कौन सा color है? It's orange. So when you mix red and orange, it gives you red orange, ये वाला color. When you mix yellow and green, then you get yellow green. Okay, यहाँ पर देखिए येलो और ग्रीन को मिला के वी हैव येलो ग्रीन, ब्लू और वायलेट को मिला के यू हैव ब्लू ग्रीन, यहाँ पर रेड और ऑरेंज को मिला के यू हैव रेड ऑरेंज. सो यू हैव 6 टर्शियरी कलर्स, 3 सेकेंडरी कलर्स एंड 3 प्राइमरी कलर्स. Apart from these colors, there is a group which is known as neutral colors. These are white, black, grey, silver and the metallics. These are known as achromatics, that is color without any color. This is the neutral color palette of neutral colors. They are colors without colors. That is why I said nothing without colors is possible. Now receding or advancing colors, इस picture को देखो. Which one is coming out of the frame? The yellow one. अब ऊपर वाली अगर आप पिक्चर भी देखोगे, इसमें यू कैन सी दिस ब्लू वन, दिस इज लुकिंग लाइक अ बैकग्राउंड एंड द येलो कलर इज कमिंग आउट, वेयर एज द सेकेंड वन, इसमें द ब्लू वन इज गोइंग इनसाइड एंड ऐसा लग रहा है कि ब्लू रेड के अंदर है. सो ब्लू इज द रिसीडिंग कलर गोइंग इन टू द बैकग्राउंड एंड रेड इज द एडवांसिंग कलर, येलो इज द एडवांसिंग कलर. So receding color, they are colors of light rays or short wavelength. Blue, greens, ये जो पूरी family है, this is receding colors. They appear to go away from you. It includes the cool colors, that is cold colors. They have a calming and a relaxing effect. तो कहीं पर if you want to stay calm, like your bedrooms, where you meditate, there you can have these calming colors. The pale version of these colors gives an illusion of space. अगर आप light blue को use करो, आप देखो छत, it's always of a light color because it will give you an impact of height, space. Cool colors are said to recede into the background क्योंकि वो दूर जाते हैं, that is why it looks like they are going into the background. तो pale tones of other color also have same impact. अगर आप red को dull करते चले जाओगे तो again it will give you a receding effect. Advancing colors on the opposite have longer wavelengths. Red, orange, yellow, this family, it is advancing colors. They seem to come towards you, jumping out of the pictures. They include warm colors. These are more advancing or stimulating. तो जहाँ पर आपको activity करनी है, you want to interact, you have advancing or stimulating colors. तभी आप देखो कभी आप parties में, dance में, वहाँ पर you always have bright color lights. The dark version of these colors, they have an effect of depth. That is what I told you here also. They are exciting, energetic and they attract attention. तभी ball में या हमारे यहाँ functions में you have red color which is dominating. Dark tones of other color also have the same effect. Now last is warm and cool colors. Again I have given you 2 pictures. You tell me which is looking very warm and which is looking very cool. This is looking very cool, blue. दोनों का size same है, similar. This is looking very cool and very spacious. The yellow one, it's very warm. It gives the perception of warmth. It's looking like a small room. So cool colors, they appear or advance. They appear to advance and they are more active. The warm colors, they tend to recede, and because they tend to recede, they give an impression of space. Hues from red through yellow, orange, red, these are all warm colors, whereas hues from blue to green, these are all cool colors. Is color wheel mein if you see, The coolest color is blue, pani. The warmest color is orange, fire. तो fire सबसे गर्म है, sun hottest, and cool water. Warm colors are associated with daylight or sunset. The cool colors are associated with snow, water, cloud. Now, if you have a look at this picture, all the gowns, they are of a same size, but each gown gives a different impression. Some of the gowns are looking more advancing and some are looking more cooler. So ये वाला जो है part, this is cool colors and this is all warm colors. Is that clear? तो size पर भी it affects. The next is the cool colors, they arouse or stimulate the viewer, whereas the warm colors, they are more calming and relaxing, similar to receding colors. The cool colors are dark and dull shades recede into the background. The bright shades of a color makes you look bigger. जैसे इस picture में है, अगर you are wearing a very bright yellow, it will make you look bigger. If you are wearing a dull yellow, it will make you look smaller. Bright red will make you look far bigger, and the dull red, darker red, make you look smaller. So if you want to look small size, we go in for dark shades. Color in a fabric, we covered it in the last video. You can go back and watch it. It deals with the impact of color when we on the different stages of dyeing. It could be the fiber stage, the yarn stage, or the fabric stage. A designer has to be very particular. It has a vision into the final product which he wants, and based upon that, the coloring is done in the fabric. Now, I have one problem. This girl, she wants to have a red dress. She tells it to her designer, but the question is brick red, blood red, tomato red, ruby red, carrot red. The designer is confused. Which red to use? Can you help her? Very confusing, na? For what we actually do is, हम red को how do we name it? If it is like a brick, it is brick red. Blood की तरह है blood red. If it is like a tomato, it's tomato red. So this is not a definition. A designer can make a tomato red and say that it was blood red. You can never be sure. So how to solve this problem? Then we go in for a Pantone shade card. You must have seen it with the painters at least. The Pantone shade card, it shows all the possible hues, tints and shades in varying intensities. See all the shades, tints and the various intensities of the color. It's all given in the Pantone shade card. Each shade is given a different code number, and this code number is internationally recognized, so it helps in fashion forecasting and when the forecast orders are to be given in a foreign land. We are able to distinguish between the values and intensity of different shapes, but the problem is the name which is given in one area may not mean the same to the people in another area. So how do we do international trade? Simple. Give the code which is given in this Pantone shade card and you have the absolute similar color. The last video or the last topic which we have to cover is the color scheme or color harmony. It's only because of these color harmonies that I had to make a new video. What are color schemes or color harmonies? We cannot have a design always in one single color. So these are the basic guidelines for combining colors. They suggest the hues that can be combined to give you an interesting design. But the value and intensity of the hue, the quantity of each to be used are the decisions which are to be taken by a designer. For example, I have this design, the same one. But here, the design is exactly, the colors used are exactly the opposite. ऐसे you have the designs also. Market में one of them is going to buy a blue dress, the other is going to buy the pink dress. तो कौन सी हमें choose करनी है depends on the designer and the consumer. Color schemes are best studied with reference to the color wheel. Color schemes are discussed in two groups and they are related and contrasting. Why is it studied with the color wheel? क्योंकि this defines the colors which are used. For example, the related color schemes are the one which have one hue in common. Suppose we have a red color scheme. So if we go in for colors which are just close to red, then it is a related color scheme. Got it? And if you are making use of a color which is opposite to this red color, like green, then it becomes a contrasting color scheme. If you are choosing blue color The colors which are close to blue, this is related color scheme, and the colors which are opposite, yellow, orange and red, these are contrasting color schemes. Clear? Now complement also I told you, I'll tell it to you later. अभी बता देती हूँ what is a complement. Red के opposite you have green color. These are complements. इसी से हम उसे उसकी इंटेंसिटी को वेरी करते हैं, द इंटेंसिटी. हेयर ब्लू के ऑपोजिट यू हैव ऑरेंज कलर. इन दोनों को इफ़ वी मिक्स वी गेट अ न्यूट्रल कलर, एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स को मिलाएंगे वी हैव न्यूट्रल कलर. तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट को ऐड करके वी रिड्यूस द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द कलर. फर्स्ट वील डू द रिलेटेड कलर स्कीम्स. हेयर वी कम ओवर टू मोनोक्रोमैटिक हार्मनी. यहाँ पे द पिक्चर is different, so I'll cover two at a time. Monochromatic harmony, where you make use of one hue and the different shades and tints of that particular hue. ये तीनों pictures में you can identify it's only one color. It's pink, magenta, or here you have mauve. Shades and tints of that color. This is monochromatic color scheme. Okay, only one single hue, the value intensity is changed. Achromatic color scheme is the one where you have only neutrals, the color of black and white, जैसे कि आपको यहाँ पर दिख रहा है. तो because the pictures are interchanged, that is why I'm telling it to you again. Achromatic, this is achromatic color scheme. Okay. The next is accented neutral. In accented neutral you have only one hue and all the other colors are achromatic, that is making use of black and white. This dress is black and white with one hue, that is red belt. इस room का पूरा interior it is in grays and black and white except for this orange color. It actually brings out the color, that is why it is accented neutral. Neutral color scheme with one color. Then we have the analogous color scheme. Again you have to consider the color wheel. It makes use of 2 or 3 hues which lie side by side on the color wheel. This is color wheel yellow से लेकर orange. If we make use of these 4 colors, this is analogous color scheme, जैसा कि आपको यहाँ पर दिख रहा है. If you combine 4 or more hues, it creates a jumble, a confusion, until and unless all the shades are in very small quantities. So balance is required while making use of analogous color schemes if the colors are in bigger quantity. The second is contrasting color schemes. This is very interesting. You have to look out for various options. Now we come to double complementary. इस double complementary से पहले I have to take up the complementary color scheme which I have omitted by mistake. It was not intentional. Complementary color scheme. When you look at the color wheel, the color opposite to the hue is complement. Green का complement है red. So when you make use of opposite colors, it is complementary color scheme. But the thing is in complementary color scheme, the contrast is too high. जैसे black और white एकदम बहुत ही shocking होता है कई बार. This is complementary color scheme. जैसे इस picture में you can see blue के opposite you have orange color. These are making use of complements. Red के opposite you have green color. Red and green, this is complementary color scheme. फिर double complementary. What is double complementary? When you have 2 pair of complements, it is double complementary. जैसे कि अगर हम यहाँ पे 2 colors लें and these 2 colors, opposite 2 colors. Whenever we are taking opposite 2 colors, it is complementary color scheme. जैसे यहाँ पर ये दोनों कलर लिए या ये दोनों, दिस इज डबल कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. ब्लू के लिए ये दोनों और ये दोनों, दिस इज डबल कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. Clear? Then we have split complementary. To reduce the shocking effect, you have split complementary. This is a combination of 3 colors, a hue, its complement and its neighbor. तो यहाँ पर orange के opposite you have blue. We omit the blue color. हम इसको नहीं लेंगे बल्कि उसके neighbors को लेंगे. तो आप अपनी फ्रेंड के घर जाओ और फ्रेंड को छोड़ दो, उसके अड़ोसी पड़ोसियों से मिलाओ. दिस इज स्प्लिट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कलर स्कीम एज इज विजिबल इन दीज पिक्चर्स. ग्रीन के अपोजिट रेड होता है. हेयर यू हैव ग्रीन, ग्रीन के अपोजिट रेड है. उसको छोड़कर हमने येलो ऑरेंज और रेड ऑरेंज को यूज़ करके वी हैव दिस स्कीम. सो लीव असाइड द नेबर, द कॉम्प्लीमेंट, उसके नेबर्स को कंसिडर करेंगे. एनालॉगस कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, एज इट इज़ क्लियर फ्रॉम द नेम, इट इज़ बोथ एनालॉगस एंड द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कलर स्कीम. तो यहाँ पर यू हैव द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, रेड और ग्रीन हमने ले लिया, एंड एक जगह पर यू हैव वी टेक अप द एनालॉगस. तो हमने वी टेक 4 कलर्स विच आर एनालॉगस एंड 1 कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कलर विच इज़ यूज्ड इन अ स्मॉल क्वांटिटी फॉर डोमिनेंस. दिख रहा है इसमें. सो इन दीज ड्रेसेस द मेन कलर्स आर येलो और ग्रीन, ये वाले हमने लिए, एंड For the contrast, we had made use of small quantity of red color. This is analogous complementary. The last is triad color scheme, combination of three hues that are equidistant, which make a triangle. It could be primary colors, secondary colors, or the tertiary colors. यहाँ पर it is, in this picture you have the triad color harmony of all the three primary colors, red, blue and yellow. Clear the triad color scheme? Now we are over with colored. Time to test. I'm giving you a few pictures. Identify the color schemes, the points which are given below, and give me the answer in the comment box. It will help me understand how much you have comprehended from this, and also to clarify your concepts. The pictures, they will revise your concepts and make them more clear. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have liked it, do share and subscribe. Please don't forget to comment. It would make me more motivated. Bye bye.